Is data science a thing of the past? In the past 6 months, a question keeps popping up everywhere. Is data science dead? Now, with AI stepping up its game, do we still need to train our own machine learning models, learn Python, or even worry about the existence of tools like Knime? Is there still a place for data science and data scientists in this AI-dominated world? Well, these questions might seem a bit over the top, but they're really worth digging into. So let me start with the first point. Generative AI has gotten pretty smart. It can whip up images or poems on command, handle a letter to Santa or a complaint letter with ease. But does it have what it takes to deliver professional grade work, like writing a whole book or coming up with a movie plot? Well, maybe not just yet, but it's slowly getting there. AI's gotten Python coding to an art. It's incredible how it leaves us more time to focus on the creative side of things. Take Denis Ganzaroli's project on visualizing Napoleon's Russian campaign data, for example. With the help of Knime Ai's features, he got AI to draft the Python code needed, refining it until it was just right. The newer versions of Knime come equipped with AI features, aiding users in crafting workflows. While AI might not be a workflow wizard yet, its capabilities are quickly advancing. So what's left for data scientists in this AI-enhanced world? Well, first off, AI doesn't spontaneously build models or code. It requires clear instructions and goals. Also, AI doesn't do quality checks. That's where skilled humans step in, ensuring the outcomes are both scientifically accurate and business savvy. The landscape is indeed shifting. While basic tasks might increasingly fall into AI's domain, there's still a critical need for professionals adept in the data science process. From algorithmic foundations to interpreting AI's outputs, the focus might shift more towards overseeing AI's efforts and ensuring the integrity of its work. So data science isn't that, it's just evolving. The key to excelling in this new area isn't just about coding speed, but directing and integrating a project's many components. We might see a shift towards a more generalist approach in the early stages, but expert oversight will always be essential, much like the role of a graphic designer in evaluating and enhancing AI-generated images. In summary, while AI might change the game, the need for skilled data scientists and their critical eye for quality and direction isn't going anywhere.